Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class we completed exercise 3.1 A Roman. Now I am going to start exercise 3.1 B Roman. Okay, let us start our class. First one, 3643 from 5987. Always the subtraction, if they give subtract the number from the other, means first you should write the number which is after from. So 5987 minus 3643. 7 minus 3 4, 8 minus 4 4, 9 minus 6 3, 5 minus 3 2. See the second one. 333 from 6859. 6859 minus 333. 9 minus 3 6. 5 minus 3 8 2. 8 minus 3 5 6. Without any regrouping or without borrowing, you can do this type of sums. Okay, two more sums are there in this. 78 from 6789. So 6789 minus 78. 9 minus 8 1, 8 minus 7 1, and 7 6. Add equally hard. See the fourth one, children. 604 from 7625. 7625 minus 604. 7625 minus 604. So 7625 minus 604. 5 minus 4 1. 2 minus 0 2. 0 minus 0. 6 minus 6 0 7. So 7021. 7021. And story sums was given regarding to this one also. 2 word problems was given. We will discuss it now. Okay, see that. See Roman. See Roman about the word problems. Story sums was given. What are those story sums I write for you? In a school library, there are 4425 books. There are 4425 books. Out of these, 3314 are subject books and the rest are story books. The given total number of books and some subjects books also given, and rest are story books. They are saying, they are asking the question, how many story books are there in the library? How many story books are there in the library? How many story books are there in the library? How many story books are there? How many story books are there in the library? Okay, see that. In a school library, there are 4425 books are there. So, number of books in library. Number of books in library. How many books are there in the library? 4425. Next. Number of subject books in that library. Number of subject books. How many are there subject books there? 3314. 3314. What they are saying, remaining and the rest are story books. Remaining all are story books. So we have have to find how many storybooks are there in the library. So number of storybooks. Number of storybooks. How many storybooks are there totally? Vision. 5 minus 4. Here if you subtract the total number of books minus subjects books, you will get the number of storybooks. Yes, na? See the first ones placed is 5 minus 4. 1. 2 minus 1. 1. 4 minus 3. 1. 4 minus 3. 1. So totally 1111 storybooks are there in that library. See the next question in that one. See the second sum in that. Amla's stamp album. Amla's stamp album has 1234 stamps. Salma's stamp album has 4655 stamps. Okay, who has more stamps? How many more? Who has more stamps? How many more? Who has more stamps and how many more those are? Okay, see that. How many that Salma has? 1234 and this Amla, and Salma has 4755. They are asking who has more stamps and how much more it is. So write number of stamps Amla has. How many stamps she has? 1234. Okay, 1234. Next, number of stamps Salma has. How many she has? 4655. Okay. In that, who has more stamps? Who has more stamps? Salma has more stamps. Salma has more stamps. Okay. How many more? How many more means you have to subtract bigger number minus smaller number. Yes, na? So, number of stamps Salma had than Amla. How many stamps she had than that person? See that. How many? There are 4655 minus 1234. If you subtract, you will say how much more it is. That is Salma having the books how much more than Amla. 5 minus 4, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. So that Salma is having 3421 more stamps than Amla. See the next one, children. Next one about the borrowing subtractions. Okay, of 4-digit number. Borrowing subtractions of 4-digit number. Okay, now exercise 3.1 completed. Now I am going to start exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. See that. First one, subtract. See the first sum that 9,348 minus 5,329. Listen children, this exercise is about the borrowing subtractions, how you will borrow, how the numbers you can borrow, you can discuss here. Okay, first one, 8 minus 9. Is it possible to subtract 8 minus 9? No, so you have to borrow from the before number. If you borrow from the before number, what it is 4 na? The number becomes 1 less. 1 less means less than, it has 4 minus 1. So it is 4 minus 1, nothing but 3. So the first number becomes 10 plus 8. Always we will carry or borrow 10 from the next before numbers. Yes, na? 8 minus 9, 9. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 6, 0. 9 minus 5, 4. So it's nothing but 4019. 4019. See the second one, children. 8657 minus 3458. Okay. Is it possible to borrow 7 minus 8? No. So you have to borrow from the before number. If you borrow, this number becomes 5 minus 1, 4. This number becomes 10 plus 7, 17. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 minus 8. What is 17 minus 8, children? 9. 4 minus 5. Is it possible to borrow 4 minus 5? No. So you have to borrow from the before number. Now this number becomes 1 less than 6 minus 1, 5. This number becomes 10 plus 4, 14. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 minus 5. What is 14 minus 5? 9. Next. 5 minus 4. Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. 5 minus bigger number minus smaller number. So it's possible. 5 minus 4, 1. 8 minus 3, 5. Okay. See the next one, children. 7576 minus 2358. 6 minus 8. Is it possible to borrow 6 minus 8, children? No, it's not. So borrow from the before number. Now it is 10 plus 6, 16. The before number becomes 1 less than 7 minus 1, 6. 7 minus 1, 6. 16 minus 8, 8. 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 2, 5. Okay. See the next one, children, fourth one. 9876 minus 2348. Okay, 9876 minus 2348. See here, 6 minus 8. It's not possible to borrow bigger number from the smaller number. So by that time you have to borrow from the before number. So now it is 10 plus 6, 16. This number becomes 6. 16 minus 8. What is 16 minus 8? 8. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 3, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. See the next one, children, fifth one. 7561 minus 3459. Okay. 1 minus 9. Is it possible to borrow 1 minus 9? No. So you have to borrow from the before. So it is 11. 11 minus 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 9. So this number becomes 1 less than 6 minus 1, 5. So 11 minus 9. What is 11 minus 9, children? 9 after 10, 11. So what's left? 2 left. Next, 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 4, 1. 7 minus 3, 4. See the sixth one, children. 9470 minus 5258. Okay, 0 minus 8. Is it possible to subtract 0 minus 8, children? No. So borrow 8. Now it is 10. The before number becomes 6. 10 minus 8, 2. 6 minus 5, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 9 minus 4, 4. If it is possible, you can borrow. It's not. By that time only you have to borrow from the before number. See the seventh one, children. 8568 minus 64 minus 7327. See the first number. 4 minus possible to borrow 4 minus 7? No. Subtract 4 minus 7? No. So you have to borrow 10 plus 4, 14. And this number becomes 1 less than, now it is 5. So 14 minus 7. What is 14 minus 7 among 7? 5 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 8 minus 1, 7. 8 minus 7, 1. 8, 1. 6,492 minus 3,275. Here also 2 minus 5. Is it possible to borrow? No. So borrow it. Now 12, this number becomes 8. 12 minus 5, 7. 8 minus 7, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 3, 3. Like that you can write. Children, next sums we will discuss in the next session. Till then, goodbye.